Hello again everyone. Today we will be testing the Sigma 400mm f5.6 prime lens. Now this one is from 1986 I believe. When it first came out there were two versions, an autofocus and a manual focus one. What I have right now is the manual focus one. It has a Minolta MD mount, so I'll be using an MD to EF adapter to attach it to my Canon 200D. The one I'm using has a flange corrector glass. That means I'll be able to infinity focus even though the lens is adapted to a different mount. The focus ring turns nicely, but it feels like a handful. Maybe because it's a little fat. I'm being biased. Please don't listen to me. Oh, I forgot to tell you. This lens doesn't have image stabilization, so you can expect shutter speeds of up to 1/600th of a second. Well, the main point of this review is to check the sharpness difference between f5.6 and f10. Anyways, I think we should test the lens now. Here, the lens is at f5.6. As you can see, it's not sharp and it's very blurry. So now, let's switch to f10 and fix the ISO, and it's looking a lot sharper now. So now, let's take a look at the pictures I shot with the lens. This first one was shot at the widest aperture for the lens, which was f5.6. Now this second one was shot with an f10 aperture. And this other two was also shot with an f10 aperture. Well, that's all for me. Thank you for watching.